Hey guys, can you hear me? Can you hear me all right? Hey, hi, Hare Krishna. What's up? Bro, how do I get non-copyright music? I'll have to research that also. Every day I kind of research something new. But I'm not sure of whether they'll still hit copyright strike or not. But probably I'll try that. Bro, I have couple of monitors. I have Lenovo also. I have Mark by Flipkart also. And then I have Dell monitor also. XM, XM4. I think Twitch is not working today. Hmm. That's okay. Which one have a clear? You have to get IPS panel always. That's one thing. Don't worry, bro. You have to do coding. Do you want to do video editing? None of my monitor is for 2K. Do you want to do coding or do you want to do some video thing? If you want to do some video thing, then you have to go with 4K. But for lead code, you don't need 4K, bro. Overkill. Overkill, overkill, overkill. Feel free to like the stream, guys. I think something that I have to say, as people have told me. Given an integer number, return any array containing n unique such that they add up to zero. Brute force n unique integers, they add up to zero. If it is even, if n is even, then I can basically use positive and negative, right? Minus 6 and 6. But if n is odd, then I have to use minus 12, 6 and 6, right? But what if n is 1? Then you can just use 0. But if it is n is odd, then 0 is also valid, right? Cool. Then that also becomes a even. So that's fine. So first element will always be 0. So int answer is equal to new int n. Answer of 0 is equal to 0. For int I is equal to. But if there are two, right? Then it can't be 0. So if it is odd, then only will take 0. So if n modulo 2 is equal to 0, it's a even, then you can take any character, right? So in this case, it could be 0 or it could be 1, right? So take is 1, for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I is equal to I plus 2. Answer of I is equal to take. Answer of I plus 1 is equal to minus take, right? And then take plus plus. Else you have to do the exact same thing, but answer of 0 will be 0, and then the exact same thing. So copy, paste, I starts from 1, take take plus plus will happen here, not after that. Cool, easy, straightforward. All elements in given to a hi Pratik, it's been a while. How are you? I also do video and then go for 2K, bro. Then go for 2K. Yeah, Pratik, I was thinking about the same. Feel free to like the stream, guys. Someone, one of the members only yesterday told me that if I don't say like, they also don't like. So, hey, hi, Brahmajot, what's up, bro? So, given two binary sets, to retain the list containing all the integers, both. The one way is that you can do a in order on BST always gives you sorted. So in order means picking root first and then going all the way. In order means picking left first and then root and then right, right? In order, root will come in. That is how in order works. So one way is that I can get all the in order and then I can sort them. Basically, that would be best. So let's use that only. Uh, list integer L1 is equal to new array list. List integer L2 is equal to new array list, right? And then basically in order root1 L1, in order root2 L2, right? And then we'll merge the list. That's straightforward. So public void in order renode root1. You should do LeetCode, bro. There is no point in becoming lazy. You guys don't learn anything if you are watching list all day. It That's the benefit. If root1 is not equal to null, if root1 is null, basically, otherwise, list, we will not do this. We'll go to root1 dot left, list dot add root1 dot value in order root1. I could have just used root here, but list integer L3 is equal to new array list and I is equal to 0 and j is equal to 0 and m is equal to L1 dot size and m is equal to L2 dot size while damn it, bro, while I is less than n and j is less than m. If L1 dot get I is less than equal to L2 dot get j, L1 dot L3 dot uh, add L1 dot get I plus plus L3 dot add L2 dot get j plus plus while I is less than n, L3 dot add L1 dot get I plus plus while j is less than m L3 dot add L2 dot get J plus plus return L3. I will deactivate my install and install the app starting tomorrow. LeetCode every day. Hey, hi. Hi, content tutorial. Do you know about CNCP? I want to explore it. It will be. What is CNP, bro? Brahmajot. Uh, but it is. Uh, Straightforward. Jump game 3. Where do I stand? Very good. I think this has not been taken into consideration. Uh, which language will be replaced by 2036? AI. AI coding language. I use the headphones because these have mic. So then the voice to stream goes via this mic, which I feel is not happening. Is it not happening? For Twitch also it is working. Have you encountered these problems before or these are new to you? These are new, bro. These are like very easy problem. I have this problem. This is very easy. I have not encountered it before. This is very easy. I have not encountered it before. This problem I have not read by now, but the other two no, I haven't encountered. That's the point of doing lead code contest, right? That to solve problems which you have not encountered before. Bro, I am not from Andhra Pradesh. Bro, that's like the first time I heard it. Like, do I look? I have friends from Andhra Pradesh. I have been to Andhra Pradesh for one of my friend's wedding. It's a cool place, but I am not from Andhra Pradesh. Bro, feel free to like this stream. I've been told that Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Bro, no idea, bro. There's no point of doing that, I feel like. Why do you want to do that, Brahmajot? Given an array of non-negative integers, you are okay, it's non-negative, you are initially at position start. You can jump to I plus array or I minus array of I. Check if you can reach any index with zero value. Notice that this is BFS. I'll do it with BFS. I'll start with 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump to only these two, right? It's a BFS problem, straightforward. BFS, anything is fine. Let's do it with BFS probably. Public Boolean DFS array, and you are at start, which is your U, right? And then you already have a Boolean visited, right? If visited of U, return false. If visited, if array of U is equal to 0, return true, and left is equal to U plus array of U, and right is equal to U minus array of U if int n is equal to array dot length, if U is less than 0 or U is greater than equal to n, return false. Return DFS of array U left visited, or DFS of array right visited, and then your visited of U becomes true here. Return DFS of array start is equal to new boolean array dot length. This should ideally work, but we'll give a TLE. True, true, false. Now don't really want to test it for TLE. So public boolean dp is equal to new boolean array dot length plus 1 if dp of U is not equal to null, return dp of U. dp of U is equal to this. Same thing should be false, true. So I might have missed something maybe. Yeah, cool. Already good day, bro. So it's been 15 minutes, but all of these problems were easy, straightforward, not saying that easy, but very, oh damn, I would have gotten 392 rank if I would have actually given this contest. And that too, I was talking, so probably you can reduce 5 more minutes. So nice. But all of these were basic problems. Yeah, you see all of these are like under 1400 rating, so that is very important, guys. These all were easy problems. That's why I was able to solve all of them in 15 minutes. Uh, Easy problems. And this is way hard. So there is no point of uh, doing that. Let me do some top interview problems. Lead code. Oh, damn, bro. LeetCode have released their Ask Lead feature. Nice. Oh, that is really nice. So, how could I see that? Ask Lead. Can I turn it on? But I have to subscribe, right? I have this on the other side. Abu Samad. Boost. Hey, Boost. Abdus. What's up, bro? Yeah, I have premium. Harshit Aryan, hey bro. So it's already been a good day, so I'll just solve some of the top interview asked problems. Not gonna waste time here. Meanwhile, what's up? It's very quiet today. Looks like Copilot for LeetCode. Yes, yes. Looks like that only. But it is good, right? You don't have to kind of navigate from here and there, right? Pretty cool feature. Bro, do you like sneakers? Yes, bro. I used to like. Now it's okay. Harinder Singh, I agree. Especially like when you are new. Madhav Agarwal, not sure, bro, if it counts as a good evening at 11 p.m. Is it? Till when someone can say good evening? Till when it counts as good evening? It counts good evening from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. Yes, good evening, bro. Therefore, 3 4 year gap pressure, which type of project? Bro, 3 4 5 year gap, you'll have to explain. You can probably add some freelancing projects if you have, but it's like a very big kind of a thing that you might have to explain. Sure, Raj, hello, bro. How you do? LeetCode is a really good tool. Do you have a Discord of Reddit, sir? Brahmajot, I think I need to create a Discord, bro. Everyone is asking for that. Just guess, just by guessing the approach without coding. No, bro, you have to code it even. Yes, bro, please create Discord. Are you fine now from like fever wise? Yes, but not from back wise. Mhm. Damn, bro, it is good, bro. Lead is good. Let's go, bro. Perfect, bro. That's really cool. What is like, is Twitch something better? Twitch stream. It's the same screen only, right? I'm tweeting. Black anime. Hey, bro, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Oh, it failed. Damn, bro. No, YouTube is better. Twitch stream better. Okay, okay. Even, bro, but you have to do coding, brother. You have to do coding. Don't just watch YouTube videos. That is not going to help anyone. Yeah, I'm streaming at Twitch also. Are you not able to see, Brahmjot? I just use OBS, bro. I don't use anything else. For some reason, I'm not able to see the chat. No chat. How to get good at DP binary tree graphs? Solve those problems. Both go to LeetCode and solve those easy beginner problems, and then nice content to roll in. Nice. Solve those problems, bro. Solve. Go to this LeetCode. Trees. These are very easy tree problems. Solve these first, and then in the same way solve other problems. The LeetCode parentheses are the most annoying questions. Is it, bro? Is it very annoying? Let's see. Which was the question? Where was I? This question, right? Okay. Bro, practice that. Practice whatever you are going to speak. You have to practice that so that when you actually speak, um, you are actually able to formulate whatever the question is, right? Don't just like practice it with your friends, give mock interviews. You have to do that sort of things. How is this rating? Like you skipped the fourth. Bro, see my rating on LeetCode when I was best, right? When I was at my best, probably last year or this year, was 2000. So that means that if I properly do coding, then I can probably solve 1900 rated problems, right? 1900, maybe sometimes 2000 when I'm good. Okay. Now, so this problem has this much rating, right? I think there is ELO, some ELO is, I think some ELO rating is there. So based on that, it is generated, right? So this is little bit above my level. So if I have to actually become a guardian, I would have to solve this one because this falls in a guardian range. But based on no, bro, it is not required. See, if you want to get this 35 at a SD2 experience, CP by CP I mean not no code forces is not required, but whether lead code contests are required, definitely yes, definitely 200%, or probably call it 400%. This right, this just like let's say this is a easy jump game third, right? Although it is a easy question, like it's marked medium, but it's a valid question to be asked in an interview to get started, right? But if you know DFS and you know DP, then it is easy for you. I am not a guardian, bro. I'm knight. I'm talking about this level. So this knight you get, the guardian you get when you are like probably here in this range, 0.1%. 0.1% would be pretty cool. So you 0.1% out of 7 lakh people. But the only difference is they have done quite a good amount of hard work and I don't have time. What, bro, RP design, what will you do, bro? Even if it becomes obsolete, your brain will also become obsolete, if I have to tell you the facts. If you are not thinking just how much brain you have to spend in a DSA, what your brain will do, right? So try to think that way. AI can clear UPSC exams. So shall we appoint AI as IAS? Or shall we appoint the next PM as some AI tool, some robot? No, right? IAS, UP exams are all based on history, and AI has already learned all the history, right? So, have you ever thought that whether IPS, IES role will become obsolete due to AI? Something that is very hard to you, then this thing, whatever is, right? Are you candidate master on code forces? Who are you? Like, are you candidate master or you are red on code forces? What is your code forces rating? If you're a CP guy, then that's the first thing anyone will ask you. After how much years of experience we can do? Bro, I don't know code forces, bro. What I will do with that stream? 2 years, Shivam Jadan. Yes, specialist is okay, bro. Specialist is good. Try to become expert, or then you tell everyone that you are a CP guy. Like, I'm not trying to demotivate you, but if you tell someone that you are a competitive programmer, you should be a good competitive programmer, right? So, for example, it's like me saying that I'm cricketer, but I play gully cricket, right? Am I really a cricketer if I play a gully cricket? Ideally, yes, but am I good as IPL player? So, expert is kind of a IPL player, and you can think of his red is like a test cricket player. So, don't want to demotivate you, but yes, that's the fact, right? International grandmaster is like you can say someone who has hit 50 test centuries. That's like international grandmaster. So I'm stuck while solving problems. Some parts of it. Solve more problems, bro. Don't cram it up. Like, see, Aditya, if when you'll be solving unknown random problems, right, that time you don't look it up. But if let's say you have not even solved 100 problems, it is totally fine to look up the solution. There are 3,000 plus problems on LeetCode. You will not be looking all the problems, right? It is a fact. Like there are 3,000 problems. Now, even if you look the solution for 300, 10%, let's say, that is fine, bro. Don't think like that. You should not look at the solution and all. No, no, no. RP design. Sorry, bro. It's just my voice is heavy. It will be very cool, bro, if someone is international. Minimum remove to eyebrow. Last 2 days I have solved knapsack. Bro, knapsack, gaming cult, knapsack and LCS you should never forget, bro. That's like very, very basic. You should not forget this, bro. What is your lead code rating, RP design? Best advice for third year. Do lead code and then apply butter naan. Nice username, bro. Do lead code and then apply for internships. Damn, bro, what kind of spam is going on? Is there any spam going on? Garlic naan. Gaming cut, any suggestions for Aman? Yes. There is no tip, bro. I think I mentioned this gaming cult. So how you can probably do better revision is make sure you have days. Like Monday is your DP day, Tuesday is your tree day. So have like 4 to 5 problems that you revise every day on that days. Brahmajot, you don't have to call me sir, bro. You don't have to call me sir. Favorite singer, so many singers. No, 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 no. Join and gride, bro. Use an ID. Join and grind, bro. You guys can just call me by name, brother. No, bro, there are companies, those will negotiate that. So many songs, bro. It's hard to comment on one song. Don't. Butterman, thank you, bro. Like the stream. What was your rating? My rating was 1950. But you don't need to chase that, bro. Don't chase the rating, guys. It's okay. Chase the interview. You have to give interviews, right? Don't chase the ratings, okay? This is something that I mentioned to establish the credibility of the channel, right? Don't mislead it with something that you have to achieve. No point of doing that. It will put extra burden on you only. That's it. DSA Amansoni. Just go to this channel and then watch this video. That is important. You have to do better DSA, but also I'll say that find a job that does not need DSA, like apply to startup. It's not like everyone asks DSA. Mostly MNCs ask those because they have established a pattern. So you are pretty far at DSA with type of level. Nihal, I did not understand your point, bro. You're pretty far. I did not understand it. Uh, what do you mean? Give mock interviews, bro. Try to explain it to your friends. That will help you give mock interviews. Very hard, but not impossible. I never come up with the recursion tree, bro. I just only think of left and right. That's it. Yeah, don't chase ratings, bro. I did not join as fresher. Unknown, bro. Apply to more openings. Let's do rapid fire of questions. Rapid fire. This is good, bro. IIT Guwahati. This chair is good. This is ultimate. Probably Green Soul Ultimate. Why there is no option for links here? This is my chair, not this one, older one. Not sure, bro. This is good for long. Do you use Mac or Mac? Mac, bro. The one without headrest, that is 2500, bro. Probably 6 to 7 from Amazon. But you mentioned Green Soul, right? This is Green Soul. Green Soul Jupiter said. What is Green Soul Jupiter? That is not Green Soul. The chair, that is something from Amazon, bro. 6 7 thousand. 6 7. 6 7 thousand from Amazon. It's not of any brand or anything. Yes, yes. Rushikesh, hello, bro. Feel free to like the stream. LinkedIn. No, I am 5'10", bro. 5'9" or 5'10". 5'10", 5'10". 1691. Yes, I just assume the recursion will handle the rest. This is good chair, bro. This is good. Depending on minimum 6 months. Then any chair is fine, bro, but don't sit for long hours. Just keep getting up and then any chair is fine. But if you're not in college and you're working, then invest in that. VIT will or bro. Rushikesh Patil, tell me, bro, what do you need help with? Ashish Kumar, your face reveal. Yeah, bro. Anyway, my face was not hidden, right? I already had all the LinkedIn and all. How is it to join some digital marketing area makes up three animations? Not for software engineers, but for rest, I think it is good. Kalpat Pakel, not in Microsoft, bro. It was not on campus. Piyush, bro, I'm good. I'm good. Feel free to like the stream. He told me that. Rishikesh Patel, bro, you can connect with me via TopMate. That is the only other option. If you have like small question, you can ping on LinkedIn. Or if you need a call of 30 minutes, let's say, then you can book a call via TopMate. Aman Soli, yeah, bro. Yesterday only I had a call. You guys should not open up here, bro. Here only ask the thing. Those are like journal, okay? Don't don't ask anything openly. This is a really cool website that TopMate created. Bro, those are also there on the link. If you go here, see these are the system design resources. High level and low level. Everything is there on this page. You guys don't need to worry about roaming here and there. Everything is there on this page. No, it is not important, bro. Piyush, but you can try to take, like, if you want to have fun for a couple of days. It is fun, but it is not important. But you should take part. So if any of the quote is more right, if let's say if the closing comes before opening, need to get rid of it. So all the closings I need to get rid of it. Do I need to get rid of anything else? What if it is like this? In this number of openings also I have to get rid of it, right? What if it is like this? This I understood. If your closing count is greater than that. But is that also true? So for example, yeah, that will always hold. This will always hold. That if your closing count is greater than, depend, bro. If it is not too personal, you can ask here. If it is very personal, don't ask here. Sorry, IIT Guwahati, bro. I don't want to sound like a boss. Just want to sound like a friend. Nobody, this is like top. I don't need to follow lists anymore. This is but a top asked problem. It's asked in a lot of companies. See how many likes it has. Yeah, bro. Try to get it checked. Brahmajod eyes health is very important. Try to get it checked. Apply to more, Ashutosh. I've just created a watch the latest video on the channel. Nobody, bro, it depends. Whether you are in college, no. If you're working, you can easily spend 10,000 per year, then it is worth it. Rishikesh Patel, bro, your first step would be to start applying. Make sure you have a resume, right? You start applying. So you first build your resume and then you start applying blindly. If you don't. You have already passed out, so I will not say you that okay, do 6 months spend learning DSA, LLD, HLD for software engineering roles. Start applying blindly. Whatever you did in college, write those, make a resume, and then start applying. Meanwhile, you grind DSA, grind lead code. Eventually, you will down the line after 1 or 2 years, if you practice so much, then you will eventually become good. Yeah, I think that really makes sense actually. It does make sense. So if you have a open without close without open. So if you have a open without close from left, only these needs to be removed. bf dot caret I Ackerman. Can we use tag for it? Yeah, we can use tag. Bayali Hari. Hey Bayali, what's up, bro? Um, both, bro. As Bayali mentioned, I think he has answered your question. ASAP, bro, you can just get a job, right? That's what I say. Start applying. And then meanwhile you're applying, you can do all the other things. Yeah, you can use stack also. That is a good point. I can use stack, and in the stack, then I'll have to do append after that. So here also, instead of doing this, you can pop the things from stack and then keep appending to a list. If the stack is empty, there is no don't add it to else add it to result. Not sure if that is that simple as that, but try running it. If that is as simple as that, that is good. So if I is greater than zero, if I bf dot char at I, so if ch is equal to close, that is okay, right? Because all the extra close we have already removed. So close plus plus. Now else if ch is equal to this, then this is not okay, right? Because you have open. So if close is equal to 0, then you continue. Otherwise, bf 2 dot append. Uh, no. Close minus minus. So if open and close is not zero in the end, do we need to check that also? Is that check also needed? or will that be automatically handled? Like if the close is zero anyway, we are not adding it, right? But in this, if let's say open is, but that will be automatically taken care by this. So that makes sense. Yes, good advice, Bailey. +1 to that. This is very simple element at the crucial part. That is a good plan, bro. But along with that, keep applying. That should be your first priority, applying to new jobs. No, bro, don't buy money. You don't already have a job. So why do you want to spend? Mm, don't buy. You should only invest in good courses. Like subscriptions and all are really good. One time things are not that good. Like 1 year subscription or something, I also buy. I have like YouTube Premium, all the premiums I have. But it's also depends whether you can like whether that everything depends on that or not. So Bhyali, Hari Krishna, bro, no one will ask you to share your screen and run your project. Never happened with me. Is it happening with anyone? I don't think so that happens. Like, who is asking you to share your screen and then show? It never happens. Uh, hey, hi, Lona. What's up? Long time. You are no longer studying or what? Yeah, never. It never happens. So no one is going to ask you to. They have a plan, right? Whenever an interviewer comes, he has a plan in his mind, and the plan is never to ask the someone to run your project, right? What is that going to test? Nice, nice, Alona. Yeah, that's they will write, bro. DSA, oops. If interviewers are not asking DSA, then what? But we are doing DSA for. DSA is going to come. Which question? This question, bro, I just solved it, bro. But I only have like 30 minutes. We'll see if I'm able to think of it. I solved it already. Uh, I saw this earlier opened. I thought it would be done. Yes, Rishikesh, study from YouTube only. That's more than enough. Udaipur, yes. Yes to both of your questions, guys. Keep applying, bro. Happens to the best of us. That is soon solved, right? I solved it in April 2010. You can do, bro. Whether it is useful or not, that is something that you have to decide. Okay, bro, I'm feeling okay. Thanks for asking, brother. Udaipur, Abhishek, that happens, bro. Practice more, you need more practice. Bye bye, Piyush. I'm also going in sometime, bro. Bye bye, take care. Do DSA, Udaipur, Abhishek. What is your DSA rating? What is your lead code rating? How much DSA you have done? These all kind of things you can control yourself, right? What is there is no need to be depressed and all. Do DSA, you can do DSA, right? Just do DSA, that's it. Why you are getting depressed? Don't be depressed, bro. Try to control the things in your hand. That's it. That should be the motto of your life. How to create a course in YouTube. Damn, bro. Courses have also started in YouTube. One more person spotted. What one more person? No, no, bro. Alone if you're still depressed, then what is the use of me saying all of these things if you are still depressed, bro? Don't be depressed, brother. Don't be depressed. Is gap bad after college? Yeah, gap is generally bad, bro, but let's say if you have a gap, thank you, Lone. Appreciate it, brother. See, bro, gap is definitely not good. Let's say if you have a gap, can you control it? If you cannot control it, don't worry about it. But try to get a job as soon as possible. Like keep applying. Don't think like that. Okay, you will do DSA, then you will apply. Don't no no no. Don't do that. How to get a number in a certain range? Sure, right. That is some motivation, bro. That is like crazy motivation that you have given. This is a tough problem, bro. Don't. I have already solved it. That's why I know the intuition. This is a tough problem. This is definitely a tough problem. I had already solved it. That is why I can solve it. Don't go by me, right? So match dot number will give you anything from 0 to 1, right? Now that is one thing. And then, but we only want it in this range, high range. So we will multiply it with high, I think. So this will give you 0 to 1, and I'm going to multiply it with high. I think that's the general way of finding a number. Now I have to just find this index. That is the problem. But this I have solved it, bro. But when did I solve it? I solved it in April, so 3 to 4 months back. So, but it stays with you. These kind of problems, right? These kind of problems have a specific pattern. So, if nums of I is greater than prefix of I, if this number that you've got, then that is the possibility. Damn, bro, is it? My screen is stuck. Since when it is stuck? Oh, bro, I solved this problem. Minimum remove to valid. Oh, that's why someone was saying. Let me see, bro. If I damn, bro, that is why it was. Bro, I am at this problem. I had already solved the other pro. Oh, damn it, bro. That is why the other person also who was asking. Someone was asking. Let me reply to him now. Uh, Asad Khan. Screen was. I think that's why people were refreshed. I have refreshed it, bro. No, no. So this is the problem that I am solving. But the parenthesis one I already solved. Parenthesis one. So Ashutosh is solve problem you are solving. Are you on the parenthesis one or are you on this one? I am talking about this problem. Ashutosh, which problem were you? Parenthesis I solved, bro. Parenthesis I solved 21 minutes. After that I solved two problems, bro. Damn it, bro. I have solved two problems after parenthesis one. This I submitted 21 minutes ago. This I submitted 17 minutes ago. I think there was some lag on the screen. This was easy problem. This also I solved it in a brute force manner. So basically, if you see a close before open while traversing from left to right, you don't need to consider that in the same way from right to left. Yeah, the screen was stuck here. Bro, I started from long. I think in this 1.5 hour, I have solved close to six problems now. So I started from here, find n unique. These two were so total six problems. But why is this not coming, brother? Oh, is it a wrong answer? That is why it is not coming. If your number falls in that range, if your number is less than, if your prefix of I is Greater than that. If it is, yeah, if this is less than Asad Khan. Bro, it means that you are unlucky for me. How can I fix this, bro? It just got stuck. It's not my issue. You can probably watch some of the videos on the channel. Those are more helpful than the stream. So I think the value on my channel is this. The value is in these, the real value is in these videos. The stream is that I have to do some coding every day because I don't want to break the momentum. That's why I do this, right? I don't feel like unless you're asking questions or you're consistently solving along with me, then there is real value, right? Or we can chit chat. Those are the true value. But value, if you are to learn something, then the videos are better. But just I was saying, now it is not frozen, right? Now it is not frozen. But I have solved 6 problems in this live stream, which means really productive day after a long day at work. That is the aim of the live stream. How many problems? So probably we could do one more thing. How many problems you guys solved so that we have more fun? Total, bro, I am asking today. I have solved total 1700 questions. Not total, bro. Total is okay. Today, in last 1.5 hour. Bro, sorry, bro, if my stream is lagging. Not sure what is the issue. Sorry about the lagging stream. I was doing my project today, so solved only 4. That's good, bro. Still better than zero, right? Be positive, guys. Still better than zero. Even if you solve one easy problem some days, that is better than zero, right? 1% better every day. There are 24 people watching. Only Ashutosh solved the problems, is it? Okay. Mhm. Bro, I only code in Java only. I only have Java. 1688 problems in Java. Asad Khan, okay, bro. Done 5 question. No lead code, nice. Code forces guy. That is okay, bro. Gautam. That is okay. Hemant Kumar, that is good. Nice, nice guys. Who else? I think 4 or 5 guys solved along with you. That's good, bro. Good 2 hours spent. Do this for 2 years. I think it is most of calculating compute is absent. I am also not sure. Never used it in college. Welcome to the real programming language. Python is not even a Python. What is for in range? What bro? For in range. In Python you have to write like system.out.println. In Python is good, bro, if you have to start a POC. Feel free to like this stream, guys, if you find it funny. Do this for 2 years. Yes. Anyone else solve the problems, or is it like just me, Ashutosh? Or we could do a one more fun thing. Like, is there any leaderboard? Real time leaderboard. That would be really awesome. Online leaderboard maker. Like, we could have a leaderboard of who is solving problems. So that would be like fun competition every day. Keep the score. And then every time I ask is without login. I don't want to log in. Anyone wants to play this game? Then we will end the stream. 10. Mitesh time, bro. Then how I can't sleep at 2, bro? That is really bad. Bad for my health. So 2 people has joined. Anyone else wants to play this? 3 people has joined. See how bad this game is. You guys can only see how bad I type, right? Because you can see who I am, but we cannot see anyone else. It's like so 6 people. Anyone else joining? We could play other games also. What other games we could play? We could play Scrabble, but Scrabble is not coding language. It's like long next time, man. Long text, man. Okay, cool. Then we'll start, right? Guys, I'm starting it. Starting it now. Damn, bro. Very bad race. A math quiz, bro. Who is? I'm not good with math. Bro, everyone is like very good. Everyone is like, everyone is crazy good. I came third. Let's do one more. Try again. Is this the try again? No, 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 bro. Leave the race. Smash Kart is good game to play. What is Smash Kart, bro? Can you play that online? I was fourth. Let's play one more round, bro. I think we all are already there in this race. Could be you. Yeah, I searched it, bro. Smash Kart. Can we play that online? Feel free to like the stream if you find it funny. So starting the race again, right? I'm not sure now if these are guests. These are like you guys or someone else only. That game takes long time. So start the race. Join race. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. Bro, this was some crazy text. I am 10 years old. Crazy, bro. Crazy. I am not. In the next Hare Krishna, you will be at first place, second place, I think. This was like very bad text, bro. Accuracy is very low. I usually my speed is around 70. I came on today this channel. Can you help me as bro Rahul Arora, bro, do DSA, and then have some. Okay, let me write and some like DSA, DS projects, DS fundamentals, uh, projects, and then keep applying on career portal. That should be the aim. Okay, cool guys. Bye everyone. Take care. Have a nice day. Just for you. Uh, two questions. I'll reply, Kiran Kumar sir, what to do if you're not able to solve in the first time of trying? That's okay, bro. Watch the solution. There are like 3,000 problems on LeetCode. You don't have to like solve all of the problems yourself. You can watch the solution for 100. And Rahul Arora, bro, this is exactly that something that you have to do 3,000 coding problem video. In that, I have shared all, what is the exact road